Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video was originally supposed to be me testing out the new Milani Perfected Conceal foundation, but it went wrong. Horribly wrong. The shade range was so overpicked. I grabbed one that I thought looked okay from like that stupid little square that they have. Like, is that even the actual color? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, putting that foundation on, I would never torture you that much to watch an entire video with the foundation looking like a freaking green highlighter on my face. I'm gonna try to find my own proper Milani Perfected Conceal shade. The reason why I wanted to was because I heard amazing reviews about it being really good for dry skin. And guess what? Your girl is dry as hell. So I figured, why not do a skincare video, because there's a few products that I have literally fell in love with. No, actually, I'm obsessed with. Oh my gosh. So I packed a little bag here full of all of the skincare products that I've really been loving, that I think is actually doing something great for my skin. And when you have dry skin, you also have to remember that it's not just the outside of your skin's fault. Like, it's important for everybody to stay hydrated and drink a lot of water, but it's extra important for us guys and gals who have really dry skin. But unfortunately, I'm one of those people that's like, oh yes, I'm gonna drink a whole ton of water, but then the next day when I'm like, oh yeah, today's the day, I like literally drink one sip of water and that's it. But when I'm not trying to drink water, I'll drink loads of water. I'll probably like drown my body. I drink so much water. So needless to say, I try to not think about it so I can stay as hydrated as possible. But another really good thing is finding something that is going to keep the hydration in our skin. Like, if you have dry skin, maybe adding some moisturizer or even some beauty oil or facial oil to your foundation might actually transform the application. So don't give up on your foundation quite yet. So one of the things that I really like to use before even touching the foundation is either a facial oil, which I do have one, and is the Clinique Dramatically Different. Oh my goodness, this is like a constant splash of hydration. I absolutely love it, and because I have dry skin, it doesn't break me out or anything. My skin tends to like suck it right up. So I would definitely recommend the Clinique Dramatically Different, and I got this little tiny guy at, you know, the checkout where they got all those like mini things in Sephora for probably like no more than $18, and I still have it because a little goes a long way with that. I put like a pea-size amount on my finger, warm it up a little bit, and just go to town, and it's wonderful. Another thing that I like to use before applying makeup, and also maybe adding only like a drop to my foundation, is a replenishing facial oil. Now, this has a few extra like additives in it, so it's not like a super thick, heavy oil. It actually absorbs into your skin in a different way than a straight up oil does, and I really like it. So one of the facial oils that I really love, and that's not ridiculously expensive, is the No. 7 Youthful Replenishing Facial Oil. Oh my gosh, and like, look at how big this freaking bottle is. I've had this bottle for months, okay, and I use it a lot because I really like it and I really notice a difference. And these are regular price with no deal, $25, And not to mention, number 7 is a Shoppers brand, so if you have those Optimum points saved up, you'll save even more money. I swear this isn't a Shoppers commercial, and I swear I'm not sponsored by Shoppers Drug Mart. So another facial oil that I really, really like, and oddly enough, guys, I got this at the Dollar Tree. Oh my, like, yes, it's not like a Dollar Tree brand, it's an actual brand. It's called Lipidol, and it's got an entire skincare slash body line. And the first product that I of course wanted to try was the facial oil, but this one is specifically for overnight facial oil. So this is a little bit thicker and it has a lot more hydration, moisturization in it because it's meant to sit on your face all night long and just allow your face skin to suck all of that goodness right in. And I find when I use this at nighttime, when I wake up the next morning, oh my gosh, my skin almost feels like plump. It's absolutely amazing. And again, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. It was awesome. If I can find any of these to buy online, of course, everything will be linked down below, because if you're a dry skin doll like myself, you definitely have to try some or all of these out. If you would like an entire like nighttime skincare routine, let me know down in the comments. I would love to share that with you. So the next product that is so important for anyone's skincare, but a little more important for us, is exfoliating. Now, I like to exfoliate probably every day, and I'm not really afraid to do some sort of exfoliation twice a day. But I don't use like a really rough exfoliator all the time. I of course use the Clean and Clear Morning Burst with the beads. I do like that, but I find it dries out my skin too much. So I only use that when I feel like there's a lot of buildup on my skin. But oh my gosh, guys, a few months ago I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I have fallen in love with the number 7 skin line years ago. But they've completely revamped it. So of course I said, you know what, they were having some sales, and I tried a different line in the huge skincare line. So this right here is freaking amazing. It is the number 7 Radiant Results Revitalizing Daily Face Polish. It's an exfoliant, but it's got really, really fine exfoliating beads in it, but it's like the texture of a moisturizer. So instead of it like stripping everything off of your skin like a lot of exfoliators will do, this exfoliates your skin, but it also brings all of that hydration in after the exfoliating, which does miracles for dry skin. Oh my gosh, like my skin completely transforms from using this. Like I have been so freaking happy. And again, this is at Shoppers Drug Mart. I got it on sale for $15, so I can't imagine the regular price is too much more than that. It is amazing. Some of the things that it says it does, it makes your skin radiant and a healthier looking, plumper. It energizes the skin, and it has vitamin C, E, and B5, and also red ginseng, which is awesome for the skin. So this face polish is a definite for me. Another, it's from the same line, but it's been awesome, is a toner. Now, I haven't been able to really use toners because you have to buy it to try it, and a lot of times it ends up leaving my skin so dry because a lot of toners, oddly enough, have alcohol in it. And if you have dry skin, you want to swerve from anything that goes on your face that has alcohol in it, because alcohol is a major dryant. You definitely don't want alcohol to ruin your skincare routine. Am I right? So this toner, again, it's number 7, part of the Radiant Results line, I guess. And it's a revitalizing toner water. It's got the same vitamin C, E, and B5 and red ginseng, and both of those have a tri-vitamin complex in it. And I imagine that's what makes it a lot more like revitalizing, exactly what it says. Again, from the number 7 brand, it's the Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream. Now, this guy here, oh my gosh, it feels so awesome on your skin. Like, you know how some night creams can feel like I don't know, smothered like an oily peanut butter on your face, and you can like feel it just weighing down your skin? Well, this makes my skin feel as moisturized as that, but it's without all of that weight and grossness on my skin. And I can wake up in the morning and whatever is that advanced formula that's in here, I'm not 100% sure, but it actually allows my face and my pores and my skin to drink it in, which is amazing. So this guy right here, and of course this has anti-aging properties in it, because I think it's never too early to protect your skin. And of course, I also use a few Olay products. I like to have a few of my side piece skincare, and I chose Olay over trying out a whole bunch of different ones. One of them that I use is an Olay Age Defier, but this one has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's a gel instead of like a, you know, creamy moisturizer. And I absolutely love the gel formula because gel is a lot easier for your skin to absorb. Another one that I also use, it's still upstairs, I'm sorry, is the Olay Regenerist in the red with the silver lid. I like that one because it's a really, really smooth, creamy consistency, and it's also age defying, which is a major plus. And there is one more thing that is so freaking important. I'm just gonna go get it and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went to go grab them. And finally, face masks. Oh yes. I mean, peel off masks, wash off masks. Spa masks are my favorite because I do have really dry skin. You can get them almost anywhere for really inexpensive, and the benefits that you can get from them are amazing. I have literally tons of these, and I do have some peel off masks as they work really good at clearing out your pores. Well guys, I know this video is probably a little bit longer than usual, but skincare is so freaking important to me, and I have really been trying to find real steps that really work for me so I can share it with you guys. And don't forget, if you want to see a nighttime routine or any type of routine, let me know down below. And hey, let me know if you would like a pore minimizing video or things that I like to use for pore minimizing. I'm an open book, guys. You know I love you, and you know I want to share it all with you. And let me know what your skin type is down below. I'm really curious to know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. It really means a lot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go and join our little YouTube family here. And while you're at it, you might as well follow me on all my socials, because why not? It's totally free, and I got them all linked down below, so like it's super easy. And don't forget to check all of the links down below for all of the products mentioned today. I love you guys so much. I'll see all you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.